In this video, you'll learn how to log out from Slack. By following these steps, you will be able to securely exit your Slack account, ensuring your information remains protected, especially when using shared devices. Begin by opening the Slack application on your device. If you are using the web version, navigate to the corresponding Slack URL in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary options for logging out. Once you're in the Slack interface, locate your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you will find the options related to your account settings. Click on your profile image to reveal a drop-down menu. After clicking on your profile, a menu will appear displaying various options. Look for the option labeled Sign Out. This will be located towards the bottom of the drop-down list. Selecting this option will initiate the logout process. Once you click Sign Out, you may see a brief loading indicator as the application processes your request. Wait for the screen to refresh. After this action, you'll be redirected to the Slack login page, confirming that you have successfully logged out with your account. Keep in mind that if you are using a shared or public device, it is essential to log out to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Additionally, if you encounter any issues during the logout process, ensure your internet connection is stable, as slow speeds may affect the application's response time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.